की प्लाटून टीटीसी करंट पीछे टिकट कट आपका निरीक्षण के लिए अंदर टेंशन
Sir, this presentation is only to highlight what activities you have done for the last 5 years. That is the assessment period. The whole thing should be videographed.
नवरात्रि के तृतीय दिवस मां चंद्र घंटा के हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. गुड मॉर्निंग, ए वेरी वार्म वेलकम to NAC peer team to our college. Honorable Chairperson Professor M. Krishna Swami ji, Member Coordinator Professor Tarkeshwar Bibi ji, and Member Dr. Vilas Sonawade ji. We are pleased to have privilege of welcoming you in Dr. Shivanand Nautiyal Government PG College, Kanprayag, situated at the holy confluence of Alaknanda and Pinter rivers in the lap of Garhwal, Himalaya. Sir, all the activities organized annually has been published as a magazine. These are cover page of 3 magazine. This is student-centric activities. Several activities are organized by the college for holistic development of student. It includes assignment, dissertation, co-curricular activities, sports, seminar, webinar, field trip, etc. Sir, this is a feedback system. Feedback system is very important for finding the shortcoming of any system and channelizing the rectification, ultimately leading to quality improvement. We collect field feedback forms from students and faculties. We also collect verbal feedback from parents during parent-teacher meeting and from alumni during alumni meet. On the basis of feedback from these stakeholders, we try to improve our system and possible changes are adopted. In our college, we also have 2 ICT smart classrooms where students are benefited. Since more than 60% of students are girls, we have girls common room with facility of free sanitary napkin vending machine. This is the girls common room and sanitary pad vending machine is there. ICT smart classroom is there. Waste management. We have proper waste management facility. There are separate dustbins for biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. For chemical waste of laboratories, we have separate way of disposal of the used chemicals. और उसके अलावा राज्य सरकार से जो कार्यक्रम आते हैं उनको भी यहाँ पर उसी ढंग से आयोजित किया जाता है जो निर्देश मिलते हैं विश्वविद्यालय के माध्यम से. मेरी माटी मेरा देश, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत और से नो टू सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक. और हमारे जो राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना के वॉलंटियर्स हैं उन्होंने पुराने जो वेस्ट कपड़ा हो गया है उसी से कट करके बहुत अच्छे कैरी बैग भी बनाए हैं. वो भी हमारे NSS सेल में आपको दिखाएंगे. कॉलेज एक्टिविटीज, वी ऑर्गेनाइज गढ़ भोज डे इन विच सेवरल रेसिपीज ऑफ मिलेट्स are prepared by students under the guidance of teachers. Jangore ki kheer. It is a nutritious and popular sweet dish in several restaurants throughout India. गढ़ भोज 2 शब्दों से मिलकर बना है. गढ़ और भोज, गढ़ गढ़वाल से और भोज भोजन से लिया गया है. और उत्तराखंड के मोटे अनाज मिलेट्स जो कि औषधि गुणों और पौष्टिकता से भरपूर हैं के बने व्यंजनों को आज बहुत लोकप्रियता मिल रही है। लेक्चर सीरीज फॉर एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस। We also organize lecture series for academic excellence in which we invite experts for different institutions of India and abroad. Future plan. Sir, कॉलेज के पास इस समय 40 नाली 0.8027 हेक्टेयर लैंड है जहां पर ये बिल्डिंग बनी है, और 107 नाली 2.15 हेक्टेयर लैंड जो है वो सेमी वार्ड एक गांव है, वहां पे उन्होंने दानदाताओं ने हमें दी है। अभी वहां थोड़ा रोड की प्रॉब्लम है, उसके लिए प्रयास कर रहे हैं। अगर रोड की कनेक्टिविटी हो जाएगी तो मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारे जो ये इसमें से कई पॉइंट हैं हमारे बहुत पे कर जाएंगे। कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ गर्ल्स हॉस्टल, क्योंकि छात्राएं बहुत दूर दूर से आती हैं और उनके नंबर्स भी यहाँ ज़्यादा हैं, तो अगर छात्रा गर्ल्स हॉस्टल बन जाएगा तो उसका भी हमारे जो गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको लाभ मिलेगा। और अभी हमारे यहाँ थोड़ा साइंस की जो बड़ी लेबोरेटरीज हैं पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट लेवल की उसकी थोड़ी कमी है, लेकिन जब ये हमारा रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा तो हमें ये लाभ भी मिल जाएगा। और हम चाहेंगे कि हमारे और मोर एमओयू विद अदर हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट लिंकेज विद इंडस्ट्री। यद्यपि उत्तराखंड में बहुत बड़े जगह उद्योग नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी हमारा प्रयास रहेगा कि अगर हम और जो आसपास के यूपी में काफ़ी उद्योग हैं उनसे भी हमारा प्रयास रहेगा कि हमारा लिंक बने। और हम चाहेंगे कि हमारी जो लाइब्रेरी भी है वो एक बहुत अच्छी ई लाइब्रेरी के फॉर्म में डेवलप हो और फैसिलिटीज मिलेगी। तो महाविद्यालय कह लें या और भी जितने यहाँ पर जो ऑफिस हैं संस्थान हैं उनको फायदा मिलेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Sir, you have presented well. I'm giving a all profile of your college and the last 5 years of activities you have mentioned and those things. Your wealth of indigenous knowledge system in the Himalayan region, sir.
What is the internal and the external assessment?
Yes, sir.
What is the ratio?
Ratio is the 80% and 20%, sir.
What do you do for 20%?
So we wanted to know that exact
Breakup.
how you are giving breakup for 20 internal.
5 marks for attendance, 5 marks for practical.
Professor D.P. Basist.
Where?
He's retired now.
Which university?
From HNB University.
Where?
So myself, Dr. Indresh Kumar Pandey, MSc, MPhil, D.Ed in botany. My field of specialization is cytogenetics and molecular biology. I did MPhil from Delhi University and PhD from Allahabad University of Lahore.
The Department of Botany was established in the year 2003 in the BSc classes, and the MSc classes were started in the year 2014.
Next.
You organize or is it part of the curriculum?
It is part of the curriculum, yes, sir.
Okay.
Field visit and botanical subjects.
Okay, next.
So these are the publications which were published during the assessment period. Some of the achievements.
Published 3 research papers before 2022, and till we have published 5 research publications with collaboration and other some collaboration partners. Teachers ratio BSc is 1:28 and in MSc 1:1. One classroom is for PG classes and 2 classrooms for PG classes.
Explaining the career opportunities, how exciting the field is.
We are creating such kind of
Yes,
We inspire our student for the JAM exams, NET exams also.
They are going. You tell me the number approximately. Or saying 100%. 100% pass in the PG students. Where they are going? Tell me. Progression.
From PG students
In UG, PCM, group is in our college, physics, chemistry, and maths.
Okay. So out of that, how many are
Out of 60s, approx 10 plus students enrolled in MSc physics.
MSc physics only.
Department offers finance and marketing subject at master level. Department has library with 124 books. Department has 3 lecture room and
one staff room. All faculty members of the department are actively engaged in all academic
Next, where is the orientation? Okay.
Last will be orientation program, refresher course, and faculty.
Okay.
Department of Chemistry is one of recognized emerging and leading department. The department started in
On what basis you are saying it is emerging and leading?
Sir, actually जो हमारे पास आउट हैं, our pass out are various private and government areas.
Total how many pass out in the last 5 years? And how many people are working?
Sir, as per our list, totally 20 or about 20 pass out
Every year?
annually. PG chemistry.
PG, 20 are passing out.
20 are working in regulated sectors, like in pharma companies or engineering.
After MSc.
After MSc.
They are going for PhD.
Sir, some of our students, our 3 students are pursuing PhD from different universities. One from HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar. One from Himalayan Garhwal University, Body Garhwal, and one from JU GV Pansar.
How many are going for teaching?
Sir, nearly maximum we have girls students, and they prefer B.Ed, and after that they choose teaching.
And I'm an assistant professor in Department of Geography, Government PG College, Architecture. And I have done my PhD in 2019. And my research topic was utilization and sustainable management in forest resources in Jaunsar Bagar area, a tribal region of Uttarakhand.
Dr. Tawfiq Ahmed, MA PhD.
MA Geography. You are MSc Geography.
No sir, I'm also an MA.
I am Narendra Panda. I have done BSc and MA Geography. Dr. Sunil Bhatt, MA PhD Geography.
Sir, highlights your department activities. Highlights 3 unique points of your department. No need.
Sir, we recently in 2020 we conducted on Ozone Day international webinar on the climate change. It's time for action. And we also conducted one national webinar on the engaging youth in disaster preparedness and planning in collaboration with the National Institute of Disaster Management, Ministry of Home Affairs. It was conducted on 17th August 2021.
In India, we have at least now only 26 or 27 only percentage. Okay, almost in last 6 or 7. So how far you have accounted this loss in this region and how much? Any idea of?
Sir, this the loss here is mainly because of the forest fire in the spring season, which is main reason also anthropogenic activities. Some of the reasons are natural.
Have you heard about the word soil cultivation?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Shifting cultivation.
Shifting cultivation.
It's also most common in this area. Am I
Yes,
correct?
terrace farming.
It's happening here, no?
Common, but not that common, sir, which is there in northeast India.
Northeast India.
More common in that, but also some part in Himachal and Jammu Kashmir. But Uttarakhand, we have terrace farming more than the zone cultivation.
Okay, thank you. All the best. Come. Okay. Sir, tell me, how many students in your class will speak English? In terms of percentage?
Yes,
English.
50%.
50%. So what steps you will take to inculcate English language to your students?
For this, we are planning to implement a English course. The PGT will pass some sort of course, and we have also tried to develop a language app in this college.
The senior most faculty.
Yes,
That was introduced by your principal. How many? Tell me your highlights of your department. 2 minutes.
Highlights of the department, sir, all we have 3 posts in the department, all 3 are filled.
Okay.
And sir, I am professor,
Okay.
and these 2 are also qualified. They are both he's SET and he's NET. So she's NET, and sir, we try to we take all our classes. Whatever time we get, we try to take our classes. And after the classes, though it is a proposal, in the future we will try to start everyday classes like coaching for students. So we shall to make them aware about the different competitive programs they can go for. My future plan is to guide the students about the competitive exams they can give after doing their PG, and encourage them to go for NET, SET, all these, and we are already providing them books in the library, departmental library. So when you come to the department, I'll show you my project, which is about what you are talking.
Okay, all right.
Next, Sanskrit.
How many percentage of students present in the lectures and practicals in general?
Sir, in PG classes, all those students who are enrolled, most of them come.
Most of it is 90% या 10%.
Yes, sir, 80 to 80% they come.
Sir, my question is this. What you have contributed, you three, what you three contributed for the Sanskrit is the mother of all languages, which is Sanskrit, especially in Hindu language. So what you developed for that?
सर हम ये करते हैं बच्चों को सबसे पहले कि एक तो हम हर वर्ग के लिए संभाषण सत्र का आयोजन करते हैं.
Madam, you, what you contributed?
संस्कृत के लिए सर हमारा योगदान नहीं है. बच्चों के लिए हमेशा हम जैसे प्रश्न पत्र होते हैं पुराने उनके लिए देते हैं ताकि वो आगे परीक्षा परिणाम के लिए तैयारी कर सकें.
कितना बुक Sanskrit language?
मैंने UGC लिस्टेड भी है और पीयर रिव्यू भी है और एक पुस्तक.
बुक
क्या बुक का नाम? कौन सा बुक है? गढ़वाली में ट्रांसलेशन कर सकते हैं.
किया है. एक तो पुस्तक है और PhD से अलग है.
I am telling you, when I visited Europe, many students are asking me how to know Sanskrit. They are interested. Other country, Europe, they wanted to know the Sanskrit because they know that it's one of the oldest language. Okay, do it better.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself. Ancient history. Modern history. Ancient history, modern history. Yourself medieval history?
Yes.
Okay. Madam, you tell about the history of this, the current prayer. Have you heard the real story of the history of the region? Why it is called current prayer?
कर्ण का मतलब क्या है?
How many students in your UG?
There are 116 students.
116 students. Okay, in your PG, or how many students?
PG classes there are 15 students.
50 students. How you are teaching? How you are 50? 1 5.
No, you have done the good work. The society has recognized it. But how is it related to history?
Actually, sir, our syllabus part oral tradition.
No, you have done the good work. The society has recognized it. The second book, what is your second book?
Second book, उत्तराखंड का राजनीतिक और सांस्कृतिक इतिहास. The total history of culture and सांस्कृतिक book है. उसमें भी इसको period का old Gujarat culture and then the.
No, to write prehistory, has anyone done archaeological work?
बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं सर उत्तराखंड और in this
Okay.
Kirtiram Kumar, Department of Political Science.
Dr. Madan sir, Department.
What was your PhD?
You both are involved in the Azad Cup group.
What is your PhD? PhD के टॉपिक बताइए.
मेरा जो टॉपिक है भारतीय राजनीति में क्षेत्रवाद की समस्या पूर्वांचल के विषय संदर्भ में मैंने PhD किया है.
In English or in Hindi?
PhD नहीं, मैं only
की तरफ से।
अप्लाई कर रखे हैं।
ग्रामीण विकास की रोजगार योजना मनरेगा की विशेष अनुदान राजस्थान बिहार।
Welcome to NET. The objectives of the department are to impart theoretical and practical understanding of the student subject to student.
So how many students have passed next set from the department?
So हमारा जो डिपार्टमेंट है 2018 में पॉलिटिकल साइंस स्टडीज हुआ, तो अभी पास आउट होकर के बच्चे प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं।
कितने पास आउट हुए?
सर फर्स्ट हमारा पास आउट हुआ था बैच, उसमें 18 बच्चे थे। सेकंड जो पास आउट हुआ था उसमें हमारे 19 बच्चे थे। थर्ड जो पास आउट हुआ है उसमें 20 बच्चे हैं। और अभी जो पास आउट हुआ है सर उसमें 6 बच्चे थे कोरोना।
तो 60 से 80 तक पास आउट हुए हैं जी। उसमें कितने लोग नेट किए, कितने लोग सेट किए, कितने लोग पीएचडी ले गए?
सर अभी तैयारी कर रहे हैं।
ओके नेक्स्ट।
Highly qualified faculty, more than 67% of the faculty members are PhD. Highly experienced faculty, majority of the faculty members are 10 to 13 years of teaching experience. Informed social engaging pedagogy. Our students are engaged to carry out discussion. Issues of technical and innovative teaching and evaluation methods. PowerPoint, web presentation, online reading material, e-resources. Active faculty involved in student-related programs. In capacity of conveners of societies and sales.
Okay next.
Courses taught in the department BA Political Science, MA Political Science.
Science strength?
Science strength to 220 seat. No, sorry, science strength 3. We have 3.
No, students.
Students 220 in BA and 25 in MA. डिपार्टमेंट में दोनों कोलैबोरेशन होते हैं, राजनीति विज्ञान और संस्कृत कोलैबोरेशन होते हैं।
कौन किसका?
राजनीति विज्ञान और संस्कृत।
Next. But this is okay next.
Students strength.
22-24. Good.
Also ये these are जो भी एक्टिविटीज होती है डिपार्टमेंट में वो हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिश करवाते हैं।
Thank you.
Department. Myself, Dr. Chandra Deswan, first time teacher. Sir, my
Sir, my question there are two. One is how, sorry, what you have contributed for the language Hindi? What you have contributed for the Hindi literature?
जैसे हम हिंदी में निबंध प्रतियोगिता करवाते हैं, भाषण
स्कूल में भी करवाते हैं। आपका पीजी डिपार्टमेंट है ना?
जी।
पीजी डिपार्टमेंट के नाते आपने क्या किया है? ये प्रतियोगिता स्कूल में भी होता है। उसके अलावा पीजी डिपार्टमेंट में
डिपार्टमेंट में से जैसे विभागीय परिषद बनती है, तो विभागीय परिषद के अंतर्गत जैसे हम हिंदी दिवस और जो विभागीय परिषद है उसके अंतर्गत अलग अलग प्रतियोगिताएं रखवाते हैं। हिंदी में जैसे काव्य पाठ रखवाते हैं।
Okay, right. Anyone knows the expansion of the word ISRO? ISRO, ISRO.
उसकी सामान्य स्वीकृति है, यानी कि उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आपका जो लेन देन है वो नॉर्मल है, कोई प्रॉब्लम। अगर आप ये चाहें कि सपोज जैसे हम बैंक में दोनों देख पाते
जन्मनः जायते शूद्रः संस्कारात् द्विज उच्यते, यानी जन्म से सारे केवल शूद्र ही होते हैं, लेकिन संस्कार का मतलब जो
This is the first time you're facing NAC and yes sir, वो मैंने पूछा था ना, ये हमारे इसमें ये हमारे उठाई लेते हैं POPS मैं वाइस से
उसके अपना विचार
आप भी हिंदी में करें तो
मैंने पीछे किया तो वहाँ पे हिंदी संस्कृत
we give them a form which they have to fill that they won't do ragging in the college. So, and
Yes, UGC has mentioned.
yeah, and time to time our committee, Dr. Vicky is also in the committee, we maintain this register and we inform students about the what if they do ragging, what action we can take, and और जो बाकी जो students हैं उनको भी हम बताते हैं कि if anybody rag you, come and sir in this room 4 or 5 committee members we sit here after our classes whenever we are free. Whoever is free comes here and sit.
Have you find any students ragging? Any incidents?
Sir, no sir, not that. Not.
This is village, no?
Not.
Nobody, they don't know sir what is ragging.
Sir, no, we will complain. We don't have any complaint. And sir, यहाँ पे anti-ragging का है and anti-drug की committee.
Anti-drug committee.
Anti-drug के sir है.
I will come to later.
हाँ, mainly anti-ragging का, anti-drug का, and sir यहाँ पे स्कूल में हम लोग career counseling भी करते हैं.
Here sir.
Here sir.
Sir, we are completing anti-ragging, career counseling, and then anti-drug.
Sir, she is the committee head of anti-ragging.
Okay,
It's not career counseling.
And then
Career counseling. Yes sir.
how many programs?
How many programs are after?
कितना program है? दो in a year. How many benefited?
Sir,
Madam, can you?
she wants sir.
Dr. Vilasau, Sonawani. This interaction between us and like your teacher.
Train is very difficult, no? Come here, madam, you sit here. Then I will.
Sir, she is the committee head of anti-ragging.
We wrote the whole information, but we don't say job benefit. That is the legislative duty.
Organize some workshop for them. We lecture them about our work, exercise, and living work.
रिस्पॉन्स दे दीजिए. आपको इंटरेस्ट ओके अच्छा मुस्कान होना चाहिए. इन लोगों ने
लाइब्रेरी के बारे में बताओ कितने बुक्स हैं, कितने हैं सारे हैं, कैसे मैनेज
लाइब्रेरी के बारे में बताओ.
मैं अपना सर्कल से
No, you give me sir.
Yes.
Give me access.
PLC हो गया. ये तो बताओ.
In between, and you arrange all the students who are standing here and put it into. So very warm good evening to all the students assembled here.
Thank you so much, dear participants. And next in the line, as we know, Atithi Devo Bhava, the motto of our culture, inspires us to treat guests as God.
जी हाँ, निश्चित ही अतिथि देवो भव, अतः सम्मानित अतिथियों के स्वागत में समर्पित यह स्वागत गीत। लोकाचार को इतनी सरलता से प्रदर्शित करने के साथ ही मुक्त कर देने वाले नृत्य की प्रस्तुति हेतु आप सभी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद।
Wow, admirable this performance was. And don't you think when folk dance accompanied by folk song will fulfill the desires of our audience?
विनम्र किस लिए?
Thank you.
प्रस्तुति हेतु आप सभी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद।
भगवती देशिति नंद कुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते सुरवर वर्षिणि दुर्धर वर्षिणि दुर्मुख वर्षिणि वर्षगते भुवन पोषिणि शंकर पोषिणि दुर्गशोषिणि पोषरते अंजलि रोषिणि सुत रोषिणि दुर्मद शोषिणि सिंधुसुते जगदं वमनं भगनं भगनं प्रियवासि विभासरते शिवरि शिरोमणि कुण्डलिमालय शङ्करिजालय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैटभगञ्जिनि कैटभगञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते
Thank you, Ms. Neha, for this wonderful dance performance and representing a Tamil classical dance in front of her. So please give her a huge round of applause. Could it get any better than this? I wonder. Oh wait, yes it can. Don't you believe in me?
आपके साथ है और हम विद्यार्थियों द्वारा प्रस्तुत की जाने वाली यह राजआद यात्रा देखकर निस्संदेह यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अतिथि एवं दर्शक भी हमारी प्रादेशिक परंपरा के स्वरूप से मोहित हो जाएंगे। कलकलगुलियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए।
Thank you.
आध्यात्मिक, सकारात्मक व सार्थक देने के लिए सभी कलाकारों तथा उपस्थित सम्मानित अतिथिगणों, अध्यापकों एवं छात्रों का कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद करते हुए आशा करती हूँ कि हमारे प्रयास आपका सफल मनोरंजन कर सके।
On behalf of our cultural committee and the students, we convey our heartfelt thanks to honorable member of NAC committee, respectable principals, teachers, and all support staff. We hope these overwhelming performances were able to entertain you and present consciously the beautiful culture and colorful culture of Devabhoomi Uttarakhand.
शांति मंत्र के साथ आज के कार्यक्रम को संपूर्ति की दिशा में ले चलने का सभी से आग्रह करती हूँ। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। अंत में सभागार में पधारने एवं अमूल्य समय हमें देने के लिए आप सभी छात्र छात्राओं का, अतिथिगणों का, अध्यापकों का हार्दिक धन्यवाद, आभार एवं कृतज्ञता। शुभ रात्रि।